Is YouTube restricted mode turned on and you can't watch certain videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable restricted mode on your Windows PC in just few clicks. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Step 2. Click your profile picture on the right hand top. Scrolling down and check restricted mode. So here you can see this is already off, and maybe your browser will showing like this. Then what you will do, simply turn off this toggle button. Okay, so your restricted mode will turn off. If you can't turn it off or the option is locked, it may be managed by your school, workspace or family link. If you are using a work or school account, try sign in with your personal Google account, and you are on a managed network, you will need to connect to the network administrator. That's it. How you disable restricted mode on YouTube on a PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hello Helper, and you will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.